Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with Me, and I wanted to let you know about a mystery box sale that we're having. Melina has cleaned out her craft room, and that's a lot of years of crafting stuff. And then I have added a few things here that I need to move on to a new home. So we're packing these priority mailing boxes. As you can see, ooh, you hear the stuff in there? We're packing these boxes and we've only got 30 of them. So if you want one, you better go over and grab it quick. They are one price, $34.95, and that does include United States shipping. Let's see oh, you do need to use the shipping code. I'm going to put it right here on the screen. Free ship, because our website has changed, and used to I could just tell the website that I wanted that particular item to go free shipping, but now they've changed it all again, and I can't do that anymore. So you actually have to add that code in. But when you get over, right before you go into checkout, you should see a place where you can put that code in, free ship, and you will get free shipping on this box. So $34.95, and that includes United States shipping. Okay, I wanted to let you know that I've already sold a few, so get over there quick if you want one. Talk to you guys later.